Ke St Anthony's College ke pynkut no retreat balai sngi jong snem arhajar arpusau haka arp kendai tarik Nailur. Ya kamas bakhuid pynmynta do Most Reverend Archbishop Fr Lyngdoh haka jingdon ryngkat Fr Joby bat Fr Arcadius. Haka jingkren U Archbishop Shillong bagi deban long ki bayar ke jingmut jingpyrkhat namar haka Balang Katholik Baroh ki briew kumjuh. Ka Balang pyah nele shiliang ye ki riewspah bat ki baduk. Pynpaw ke jingkmen ban yo bon ki khna Samla ki pynmynta ke ni ke retreat.
6. What did St. James said? He keep warning to the rich people. Those days, only the rich people are powerful. They have whatever they want. They have money, they have power, they have wealth, they have gold, silver. And they look down at those who are very poor. They look down at those who have not. Division between the rich and the poor. So God told through St. James, woe to those who are rich. Woe to those who are powerful. Woe to those who have lot of money, power, authority, if you look down at the poor. In the Catholic Church, there is no difference between the rich and the poor. All of us are equal here. Nobody will say here, stand up those who are rich. Stand up those who are rich. You said, let us keep hands for those who are rich. No distinction. In the Catholic Church, no distinction between the rich and the poor. All are equal. Therefore, St. James taught us, all are precious. All of you here, every one of you are very precious here. Because we are the children of God, the rich as well as the poor. If you have money, power, if you look down at others, then danger for you. Speak about me is not against me. Sometimes we thought that only we were special people. No. All those who are do good, we are also accept them. Not only to this community. Don't make any distinction. Those who are doing the good work, all of them, God is pleased to them. Secondly, you have heard the word of God. If anyone give a cup of water to anyone who are in need, you will be blessed. You will be blessed. So be generous to give a cup of water to anybody who are in need. That means to share whatever, the smallest thing that you share, God will bless. Many of you do that. We enter the convent, the house, they give a cup of water, very generous. God will be blessed. Bless all of you for your generosity. And Jesus said, make sure that you do not treat anybody who is small in a bad way. If someone treat the small one in a very bad shape, better for that person to hang with a milestone into the sea, through into the sea. That means you shall not look down anyone who is small. Always look equal, I told you.
Kani ke sngi khat do jong kani ke retreat ke pynpaw shai ru bakalong ke bajop. Ha ke bagi bon ki khna Samla ke layo bon ke jingmentoi bagi jing start bagi jing hikai bagi layo na do ke sngi ke beningkong. La penwai no ekni ke retreat da ke baya shat yerwai kemen di jing rwai yero yo trai. Kum kadak ban sngongo bat ban lek kemen da ke benta ke jingkerku bagi layo ha kini ke lai sngi.